Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Steps tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Excel attendance register directly into Microsoft Word. So whenever you make updates in Excel, they automatically appear in your Word report. First, open your Word document where you want to insert the attendance register. Go to the Insert tab, then click on Object in the text group. From the drop-down, choose Object again. Now in the dialog box, select Create from File, then click Browse to locate your Excel attendance file. Once selected, make sure to tick the box that says Link to File, then click OK. Your Excel sheet will now appear inside Word. The best part is, it's dynamic. If you update attendance in Excel, the linked table inside Word will update too. Just right-click the table in Word and choose Update Link to refresh it. You can also resize the table, format it, or place it anywhere in your report to make it look professional. That's it, you've now linked Excel to Word for automatic updates. This is perfect for teachers, managers, or anyone who wants smart reports without copying and pasting every time.